2010 economics past question number 41. A disadvantage of Nigeria's dependence on imported petroleum products is the option A says inab- instability in the price in the demand of the products. Option B says instability in the supply of the products. Option C says dominance of multinational firms. Option D says poor maintenance of refineries. Disadvantage. If you look at the disadvantage or the negative contributions of petroleum to Nigeria's economy, we talk about economic instability. We talk about deprivation of means of livelihood. We talk about high rates of inflation. We talk about rural urban migration, development of mono economy, mono economy, mono economy. We talk about environmental pollution and political instability. So, increased social vices and neglect of agriculture and other sectors. So, from our negative contributions, you can see that instability in the supply of the products is a major disadvantage. So, option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. So thank you, and please subscribe for more questions.